Hi, thanks for stopping by my channel. This is Anna's Aqua Home. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Today, I'm going to be really diving into music themed fabrics and projects for this video. So let me show you a couple of the fabrics I'm going to be working with. This is a floral music fabric, and I already went and picked out a few colors to maybe match with it, maybe some yellows, and then also this blue. I've been saving this blue. It's not normally my color blue, but I've just been waiting for something to be used with it. So all of these are kind of what I'm thinking of using together. I'm trying to hold them up, but this is kind of what I'm thinking of using together. You've got this floral with lots of different colors. I pulled some of those colors. I am very musical. And I've got a lot of friends that are very musical, and I need some thank you gifts. You know, the end of the school year, the end of the semester is coming up, and so I really need to make some music themed gifts. Do I have a plan of what I'm making? Not really. I have made a music themed makeup bag before. I think I might make another one of those, and then keychains, zip wallet, maybe a fabric bow or two made out of music fabric to kind of like as a purse charm or backpack charm. A lanyard I could always do. I don't know. I'm going to be thinking of all my projects that I've ever made. Maybe I'll write a list of them. That way they're actually like in front of me and I can see. I'm just going to go crazy with these fabrics. I'm just going to make a whole bunch of music themed projects and then decide, okay, I need a gift for this music teacher. I needed a gift for this pianist. And then I can kind of go through, collect all my little projects, maybe put them together. So that's my plan. There is no plan except to get sewing. So I'm going to decide what I want to start with. I kind of want to dig into this one first. Not going to lie. I think this is going to be the first one that I start with, and then we'll see where we go from there. So come along with me. I'll give you updates along the way as we finish making these projects. Will it all get done today? Maybe not, but at least this video starts it. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. If this is something you're interested, watch till the end to see a whole bunch of music themed projects. Let's get sewing. I've got my zippers pulled out. Let me lay out everything that I have. So I have like a small zipper pouch. This is going to be like for pens, pencils, highlighters. I chose this as the backing, and I've already got the batting pulled out. So I've got that with a zipper, and a zipper tab is going to go on the end of that. And then I also have these Handmade with Love. So I'm going to put that with there so I don't forget that. I think it's going to be the perfect size for like lots of little writing utensils. Next, I've got a zipper wallet. So I've got this, got some of these to go with it. I've got two different backgrounds. So I cut two out. One I still have to cut batting for. So I've got this. I'm going to use hot pink for one and an aqua for the other, and then I've got little zipper tabs to use for both of those, or I can use, so I'm debating using this or this for both the little zipper tab on the end and also for like the little piece that sticks out that you can hook a keychain onto. So I'm going to use either these small scrap pieces or that. Next up, I've got a lanyard I'm going to make out of this blue. I think it's going to be really cute if I hook the lanyard to one of the little zipper wallets. That's going to be really cute. So I have that. I've got several ones that I cut out for scrunchies. So I'm going to cut a few of those. I cut a couple of them at 3.5 inches and then one at 2.5 inches wide. So I'll make a couple different size scrunchies with all of that. I've got 2 pieces for my, not lanyards, wristlets. And I've got pieces that I cut for this. And then I'm going to try making a little bow clip-on with these 2 pieces. I'm going to try doing like a 2-tone and in a different style than I'm used to. So I'm definitely going to try the bow. So what do I not have here? I don't have a makeup bag cut out. I also don't have really a lot of different charms. I've got a couple charms, like the one bow charm, but that's it. So I may end up making, like, this is what I mean by a charm, like my little butterfly charm. Maybe I should make one of these out of this fabric to go along with it. I don't know. I'm going to figure that out at the end. One thing, I don't have a lot of the hardware out here, like the little clips that go on the wristlet, but that's okay. This is where we are. Everything is cut out, and now we're going to get to sewing. Well, I've pretty much finished all of my projects. I worked on a bunch of different ones, so I wanted to show you. I've shown you little clips of me making them. One of the first things I made was a pencil pouch or a little pencil case. I've also seen people say that this could be used like as an eyeglasses case or a sunglasses case. I did the blue fabric on the inside, and then I just think this turned out really well. I had such a hard time with the zippers still. I'm not completely happy with them, but I'm definitely getting better, so I'm learning more and more. I tried to remember to put the Handmade with Love tags on all of these. So there's my one pencil case, and then I made two little zipper pouches. So the one I had a pink zipper, and on inside I put yellow polka dots, and these are a little bit smaller than I normally make, but I still really like the size. And then the other one I made, I had an aqua zipper, and I did blue on the inside of that one. And then for the zipper tabs, I actually put this adorable little birdie on this one, the little paper clip that is in the bird design, so I was able to string that on there. I think that turned out really nicely. And then for this one, I actually used a button, so it's like a wood button. I just put it on there with some ribbon. So I made one pencil pouch, two zip wallets. I made a lanyard with this blue, and then out of the pink fabric I made a little bow charm. Well, I'll show you that later because I made three little bow charms. I made a pen holder, so this hooks to a lanyard, and then you can either put like reading glasses or pens. This is great for teachers so that they always have a pen readily available. And then I made this key charm, this little bow charm to add, and then I also made for each of these, I made a little bow charm as well. So this one is blue, this one is yellow, and then two wristlets. So I made a pink corally one, and then also that blue. So I just love how like all of these colors go so well together. I just think this is going to make a great gift. It's got the little zip wallet, it's got the charm, and also the wristlet. I'm really happy finally with the size of these wristlets. I like it's a little bit wider than 1 inch, but then it's got just one layer of batting in there. So I just really like this. I've tried different ways, and now I'm pretty happy with this design. And then I also made a whole bunch of scrunchies. So I made some bigger, some smaller. I just love the way this turned out. All the different music notes. This one is like almost completely music on that side, but then you can see on this side all the pretty little flowers. So yeah, I made a whole bunch of different things. Wristlets, zip wallet, pencil pouch, keychains. So I definitely had fun. I'm gonna put them together. I'm thinking like this would make a great gift the way it is. It's got the zip wallet, it's got the wristlet, and then the little charm. But then if I wanted, I could even put like a little scrunchie inside as well. That would be really cute. Or fill this with some cute music pencils and a scrunchie and call that a great gift. So I'm really excited. I had fun making all these different projects. I still have some more music fabric left, so I'm thinking of doing like a black and white music fabric collection. But yeah, I see people launch different collections all the time on their small businesses, and so I kind of like ended up making my own little collection by accident, and I'll be giving away all of these as gifts. So thanks for watching Anna's Aqua Home. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you'll come sew with me next time. Bye.